In today's video I'm going to show you how to create hyperlinks in Figma. Start by selecting piece of text where you want to add hyperlink. Double click on that text to enter editing mode. Then highlight specific word or phrase you want to hyperlink. In the toolbar at the top, click on Create Link option. You can also press Ctrl plus K or Command. And dialog box will appear where you can type in URL. Once you type URL, press Return or Enter key. Select the text will now be hyperlink, and clicking on it will direct you to specific URL. On the left-hand side, in the Pages section, locate page you want to link to, right-click on page name and select Copy to page. Go back to text you want to hyperlink, select it, and use Create Link option instead of URL. Paste copy link. If you want link to frame, if you don't have frame yet, press F key to create one and select frame you want to link. Right click on frame in the layers panel, run the canvas and select copy link. Highlight text or object where you want to apply link. Use create link and paste copy frame link. If you want link to project, click on share button in the top right corner of Figma, and in the share options, ensure link settings are as you need them. For example, anyone with the link can view it. Then copy link. You can now paste link as hyperlink in the text or other elements within your Figma file. And once you add hyperlink, you can test it by clicking on link text or object. Figma will open link page, frame or external URL in your browser tab, or navigate you to link element within file.